Get ready. Lightning is about to strike.
Oh, yeah. Get me out there on that racetrack.
Good choice. I'm a precisional instrument of speed and aeromatics.
I'm so excited. This is, well, it's gonna be great.
Check it out, man. I'm here.
Pour me out that track, cause I'm revving and raring to race.
Name's Bobby Swift. Think that says it all.
You haven't seen Fast until you've seen me.
Haha, the chick era is back, baby.
I've calculated my stats. On this track, in this weather, I've a 92.2 certainty of winning.
Ciao. I am ready.
Let me at him. We're gonna have ourselves a real good time.
It's me. Let's go. I'll win. No question.
Please, save the photo ops for after the race.
My friends call me Junior. Pleased to meet you.
I've been waiting for this for years.
River Scott's my name, and winning's my game.
I've trained the best. About time I got my tires dirty.
Let's move out.
Yeah.
Ciao.
Good evening, folks, and welcome to the always impressive Florida International Speedway. Tonight's event is sure to become the talk of the racing world. Now, if you ask me, Jackson Storm's got to be the favorite in this one. I just don't see anybody keeping up with him. He's got to be the guy to beat.
Good luck out there. You're gonna need it.
Got this, Lightning.
You're off.
Just like you talk, Doc.
Yeah, well, don't let it go to your head. Oh, no. Man, this is gonna be easier than I thought.
Nice chat, but I got a race to win. No big deal. Yes.
Can't complain about that.
Nice chat, but I got a race to win.
Oh, yeah!
This'll make the highlight reel.
Put a lot of hair on this one.
Let's see a rookie do that.
Is anyone really surprised? Looks like this race is done. Don't worry, you'll get an autograph when it's over.
You guys doing all right? I still got it. Oh,
Woohoo! Man, really acing these air trips.
pressed yet? You should be.
Everyone taking notes?
Here.
It's just a little friendly competition. Don't take it personally. I beat everyone. Hey, pal, stick to the slow lane.
Now, this is racing.
How about an actual challenge next time? Welcome to the big leagues, buddy.
That couldn't have gone much better.
Stop, please. I'm embarrassed with you.
Look at that speed!
Nothing like getting your tires dirty.
Watch and learn. Getting tired yet? Hey back there.
That's some serious hang time. React, don't think. Works every time. I still got it. It was nothing.
Pretty good on the turn.
Been watching me, huh? Learning what it takes?
Lightning nails the landing.
Giving all they got out there.
You're making this way too easy. Perfection just got enough.
Pressed yet? You should be.
It's still quick, you know. Consider this race over. I make this look good. Who can really keep up with me? I mean, come on.
Great view. It's like I'll see myself win twice.
Would you just pull over already?
Oh, things are getting crazy now.
I've mastered every sim on the simulator. You can't beat me.
It was nothing. Oh, yeah!
Speed's all that counts.
Can't complain about that. Nothing like getting your tires dirty. Here comes lightning.
No big deal. Getting tired yet? Familiar sight, I know. Don't be so hard on yourself. Everyone.
Welcome back to Chick's Picks. I'm Chick Hicks.
If you're wondering how Lightning McQueen's day went, well, he lost, which pretty much means it's like all his other days. Miss Fritter, tell us, what did you see out there?
Oh, that was scary, Chick. It just ain't safe out there when it gets like that. Whee!